Hello everybody, this is Doug from Darkwater North. We're going to take a quick look at the Gerber multiplier plus sheath with 14 tools, safety plus lock, and the one hand open. The 14 tools are right here. You got a file with a fine edge and coarse on the other side here, or the fine on this side I should say, and then the diamond pattern on this side, a small flathead screwdriver, a medium flathead screwdriver with a bottle opener, and then a large flathead screwdriver, a knife, and then on the other side you have the serrated knife blade, a little lanyard hole, a Phillips screwdriver, and a can opener. So these things all come in it, and that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 tools there. They all fold down, and this here locking mechanism, they said the safety plus lock, is really secure. You'd be really pleased with that. The blade locks in place and then you just pull it down, folds into place. Same with on the other side. It has the same lock in the other handle, and same thing. When you pull it down, you can fold these down. And of course, when you first open it, you got the pliers with the cutting teeth right in there, your grip, your needle nose, the rulers, and a cincher for see a little focus on that right in here. Pinch things down for electrical hookups or whatever you so desire to cinch together or pinch together. Okay, we'll take a look at the sheath quickly. It's a nylon sheath. It has substantial Velcro to keep the tool in place securely, and you have some loops for your belt here, and it's sewn very well. Like, it's really well made, and you know, it'll do, I'm sure, to last a long time. And so that's very nice. Comes with the purchase. And then like I say, you just pinch these two down here, one hand open. You pinch them down, push it forward just a little bit, right? And then you take it and snap it open like that. You got used to it. Okay, here's some haywire. Cuts it no problem, right? The pliers, they have a nice even grip. You can bend that around no problem. Now we'll try the knife blade. And like I said, it really locks in place with this knife, and you put the handle back in. It suggests for a nice firm grip, which the handle size is just perfect. Like, you're going to be able to really reef on it. Here's some nice leather. I cut through that easily. Flip it around a little. The blade is a little wide. It's not the greatest slicer, but for cutting, I mean, it's very sharp. Came out of the box like that, or the packaging like that, and it's extremely sharp, but it's wide and it's a hefty little blade. Nice, solid, and like, it's not going to move like that. That solid in there doesn't jump around or anything. So just slide that back forward, open that up, pull this down, close the blade. The file is actually quite useful. Sometimes you get a product on these multi-tools that are like subpar, but this actually, you know, it has some real bite to it. As you can see, just cleans that off and sharpen that up or whatever you need it for. It really works well, and it's solidly in place. So you just pull that down, push this back, fold that away, And the blades are like, they're sharp. So we open this up. We'll cut with the serrated edge now. I have a little bit of hosing here off of the air compressor. I had to cut a little piece off because it was getting a little worn. But this stuff, like, this is tough rubber hosing, and this just cuts right through it like butter, right? Whoops, there you go. Like, no problem whatsoever. And as for that, we could even put this cardboard which is nothing for this to cut through, of course. And this here is some nylon strapping. Zip right through it, eh? I want to try that other blade there. Just push this back in. Close this blade. Open this one. It's very secure. The lock is extremely solid. I couldn't say enough about that. And these blades are really sharp out of the packaging. Look at that. Nice. You know, paracord, you'd have that out there a lot. Just cuts through that like butter, eh? No problem at all. As far as the old paper goes, a little jagged, eh? Just be a second here. Got to bring a piece over. This knife is extremely sharp out of the box. There you go, eh? So it's sharp. Paper, cardboard, sharpening of a pencil. There you have it. And I bought this at the local local Home Depot. Locks in place. Put that back down here. Close that. Now, also, I just want to take a quick look at those little screwdrivers. We'll see, you know, pull them out. I'll try the medium-sized one. That has a bottle opener on it as well. That's one of the 14 tools. Let's put it in there. This is the it's well balanced. Like, you think sometimes these things would be a little awkward, but actually not at all. So real nice. You can really reef on it. It's a good solid little screwdriver, and the bottle opener is right there if you happen to need it. And it's solid, like it's again locked in place. It's not going anywhere, and you can really put some pressure on it and get that thing tight. So that's good. This is a well-made little tool, and it has a lot of great uses, and I like the one-handed open. Like, I've heard some people say that it doesn't really work, but I mean, once you get used to it, like I said, I had one of these before, and it's open. Where you go? You know what I mean? So, you can, like, to cinch down here, I know this isn't the ideal purpose for this, but it goes that together. Put this down in here. You know, you can use it as you feel fit, but it's for electrical wiring and to just cinch something down there and squeeze it on the wire you're using. So basically that is the Gerber MP600. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Multi-tool. I got this, like I said, at the Home Depot here in Canada, and it's a great little tool. I really like it. I liked it, and that's why I bought it. Again, I got a great deal on it because I got some points, and I went in and purchased it with that, and overall only cost me like 20 bucks. But I mean, regular $88 without the coupons, right? Okay. Anyway, thanks for tuning in. This is Doug from Dark Water North saying thanks. Please subscribe. I'd really appreciate that. And have a great day. Bye for now.